Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Virgo placements. Okay, so this is your... Pasensya naman. Yeah. This is your general and checking pagdating sa current situation ninyo in love. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And yeah, don't forget rin na i-follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung isa yung love letter, pwede kayo mag-message doon ng inyong mga love letter, love messages para sa inyong somebody, no? Lalo na yung mga naka-block na dyan. So, gawing way yung love letter. Okay? So, wait lang ako sa inyong mga messages para, yeah, doon natin i-ere sa love letter. And syempre, yung mga may hilig sa animals dyan, oo. So, yung isa nating YouTube channel, sa kapatid ko yun actually. So, yeah, let's help. My brother, oo, na makaipon ng followers niya. Thank you! Yes, okay. So, Virgo, again, yung ating mga items is all available. Yung ating ang tawag dyan, protection from evil eye. So, meron din tayong love bracelet, granter necklace, and si cord cutting. Okay? So, kung may mga tanong, just message me. So, ito yung sample ng isa kong evil eye protection. Okay? Yung ring natin, this is adjustable, by the way. Okay? So, nothing to worry. Oo, pagdating sa sizes. So, Virgo placements. Let's see. In general, what's for you this mid-April? What's for Virgos? Virgos, this mid-April. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Paggastos, una ko narinig. Gastos? Oo, I don't know. Baka iba sa inyo may bibilihin. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. May narinig ako. Unpaid. Unpaid. Hindi ko alam. Ano yun? Sa work. OT? Ano yun? OTY? Sana walang ganon, no? Okay. Merong bibitawang trabaho. Some of you merong bibitawan na business kasi merong mas pagfo-focusan na ibang bagay. Yeah. Some of you, I'm seeing here na pwedeng merong maisa-sell or pwedeng may ibebenta. I don't know kung ano to. Okay? May bentahan ako nakikita rito. Okay. So, what else? May ibebenta para makapagsimula muli. Something like that. Virgo. The Empress. Pregnancy. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups in reverse. Somebody will get pregnant. Napaka-specific nito, Virgo. Somebody will get pregnant. Somebody will see a doctor. Check up. Okay? Because of, sabihin nating, unprotected sex. This is so specific. Huh? Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Some of you, hindi kayo ready dun sa person. Nakachok-tsakan nyo lang. Okay? Or wala kayong label ng person nga. In general. Yeah. tas hindi mo na ito makakagilap, mahirap na. Just, yeah. It's like a warning. A warning. I'm seeing some of you having self-care, self-love, pampering yourself, having new hair color, mga ganyang bagay. It's like type of pag-move on na ginagawa or gagawin. Okay? May mga babaguhin sa sarili, haircut maybe, losing weight maybe, or gaining weight. Okay, like being sabihin nating mas pipiliin mong mas maging okay, presentable, something like that. Yeah. Okay? What else? Somebody's falling in love with you. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Four of Cups. The Fool. Somebody's overthinking. Or pwedeng may mga pag-iisipan kayo. Yeah, the Nine of Swords na pwedeng gugulo sa utak nyo eh. Okay? So, may paglalaban sa utak, no? Parang ganyan. I don't know if this is mind over heart. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Yung iba kasi pwedeng sabihin nating bago sa'yo to. Bago. The Fool. This is new. Something. A new energy. Na pwedeng pag-iisipan mo pa. Ano tong Four of Cups? Somebody will regret pagdating sa mga desisyong biglaan. Okay? So, if ever you'll make a decision, pag-isipan yung mabuti. Okay? Avoid making a decision na bigla-bigla. Out of your emotion, maybe. Okay? So, yeah. The Eight of Wands. An action. That the Five of Wands, a drama. Some of you, you'll regret something pag ikaw itong parang bigla-bigla. Okay? So, hanggat maaari, kung may mga desisyon or may mga pagdedesisyonan na darating, mas maganda talaga pag-isipan mabuti. Okay? Avoid making a decision out of your emotions. Okay? Kasi baka andyan yung term na ma-compromise ka. Okay? So there. Yeah. So let's see your current situation in love, Virgo. The current situation in love ng mga Virgo. Anong meron? Let's see. Anong situation ninyo in love? Virgo. Strength. Could be dealing with a Leo. Okay. Is there any blockages? What's with his strength? The Nine of Pentacles, universe. Somebody's ego and pride is on the way. Page of Swords. Somebody wants to pursue. Somebody wants to approach. Somebody wants to message you. But they're holding back. Yeah, the Page of Wands. They're just like wondering. Interested still. Somebody's holding back na magkaroon ng commitments with you. Could be a Leo or an Earth sign. Yeah, your past. The Ace of Cups, universe. Your past person. It is. Your ex, Virgo, is holding back pagdating sa mga actions na dapat gawin. Some of them, they're, nagmamatigas. Ego at pride, nandyan. But yeah, they miss you. They miss talking to you, being near you. Yeah, the Nine of Cups universe. They need you actually. Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. So, meron ditong nag-hold back sa sitwasyon. May nag-hold back dito. Some of you are mirroring each other. We miss each other. Wanting na magkaroon ulit ng pagkikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan, pero unahin natin yung pride natin. Unahin natin yung ego. Ha? Okay. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon, Virgo? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, diba? They're crying. Feeling the coldness of the separation. Some of them, they have money issue. Yeah. In general. What's with this Five of Pentacles? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. They want this. They want a new beginning with you. But yeah, they're waiting. Holding back and waiting. Being silent. This is sabihin nating tawag dyan, mind games. Head games. Waiting game. They want this. Some of them, hindi okay talaga yung kanilang pamemera. They need to pay something, maybe bills, kung ano man. Alam mo, itong taong to, gusto nila ng Ace of Pentacles with you. Hirap na hirap to ha. Tinatalikuran pa rin niya eh. Okay? Nagmamatigas kasi. What is their emotion right now? Let's see. Star. Nako. Oo. Okay. What's with that star? The Tower in reverse. The Nine of Wands. Yeah, they're guarded. The Knight of Swords. Alam mo yung energy niya. Pagdating sa emotion. They still like this. They still like you. They still want you. Pero they're trying to avoid you. They are. Andun yung word or term na nagmamaganda. Kung lalaki siya, anong tawag doon? Hindi ko alam. Nagmamaganda na lang. Oo. In general. O, diba? No gender involved. Let's see. Yeah, the Five of Wands. Papasuyo to, Virgo. Nagpapasuyo siya. Yun nga lang, di ko alam kung sinusuyo mo. I don't think so. No, I don't have time. No. Parang gano'n, I don't have time. Some of them, they're losing patience. No, they're losing hope. Pagdating sa sitwasyon na to, they're like, oh my God, ano na mangyayari sa akin? Susuyuin pa ba ako ni Virgo? This is like drama. They have a lot of drama. Yeah, baka meron na siyang iba. Kaya hindi nag-reach out maybe if you're not reaching out, Virgo. Yeah, kung ano-anong napasok sa utak nito. Kadramahan. Okay? Iniisip nito, may iba ka. Ewan ko lang sa inyo kung may iba ka na nga. So, tingnan natin, what is their next action? May chance ba na siya na talaga yung babasag ng silence? Let's see. the Knight of Swords in reverse, and the Magician. Ikaw pa rin ang iniintay. Ikaw pa rin. I'm not ready. Si Virgo na lang. Pero you're not making any actions din naman. Oo. Ano to? Pataasan ng pride to, mga Virgo. Pataasan ng pride, ego. Gusto ng taong to makipag-ayos. Paano ang gagawin? Kung yung kinatalikuran niya. Okay? Yung thinking about pakikipag-ayos. Hindi siya nagawa ng way. I don't know why. Some of you, yun nga, pride at ego nito. Unang-una. Okay? Hindi daw siya makikipag-usap hanggat hindi ka makikipag-usap. At ang malala dyan, kapag nakipag-usap ka, Virgo, hahaba ang hair nito. Mapababae man, lalaki ko naman ang gender. Yes, lalo mong mapapalaki yung ego at pride niya. O, diba? Yeah. And King of Cups in reverse. The Two of Pentacles. Some of you narinig. Ang sarap talagang tuktukan yan. Okay. I cannot. Oo. So, let's see. Anong magiging outcome / advice? Tingnan natin. The Queen of Swords in reverse. This is hate. Yeah. Why? The Six of Wands. Kasi walang magandang nangyayari. So, magpapatuloy pa rin po yung inyong ganyang mind games, waiting games, na hanggang mid-April. So, chinek lang natin ano bang magiging takbuhan eh, no? So, meron ditong kailangan mag-sorry, meron ditong gusto makipag-usap, pero undecided. Parang nasa crossroads. Should I send him or her a message? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Mga ganun bagay. Na the Emperor in reverse, yeah, I don't have time. Ayoko. Some of you, this is talking about immaturity. Nobody's stepping up sa situation. Okay, so yes. Hayaan na lang natin to na puro drama. Kung walang mag-step up sa situation, then ongoing, no? Ongoing ang nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah. I cannot. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, the sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you sa mga nag-share and nagla-like. So, Aries. Some of them, they're not open pagdating sa communication. They're manifesting you, I think. Taurus. They want good things pagdating sa inyo. Gemini, they see you as their ka-forever. Parang ganyan. They see long-term with you. Itong Gemini na to. Cancer, they still want you. You're their best option if this is your ex. Okay? Their focus is on you kung currently magkasama kayo. Leo, they just want flirt. Okay? Some of them, they want your attention. Virgo, too much insecurities. Some of you, itong Virgo na to ay not ready. Yeah. Libra, they admire you, or maybe you admire them. Scorpio, they like you. Passionate. Makaramdam ka ng clingy being clingy from the Scorpio. Sagittarius doesn't want toxicity, negativities, ayaw nila yon. Capricorn, they want to take risk. Aquarius, they need you. They need you. Like, in general, they need you. Pisces, there's imbalance here. Somebody has their dark side. Okay? A dark side. Somebody is not being open, or maybe itong Pisces na to is may tinatago talaga, like lies. Okay? So there. Yan ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.